Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will make potato, chicken and cheese balls. Try it. I hope so you will really like it. First of all, I boil the eggs and mash it well. My potatoes are mashed. Now I am going to add the boiled and shred chicken in it. After that, I am going to add the eggs in it. These are boiled and I have to cut into the pieces. Add it. After that, I have added onions, capsicum and green chili paste in it. After that, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon salt and 1.5 tablespoon black pepper. Mix it well. Now I took some mixture. I have to press it like this. Now I am filling the piece of cheddar cheese in it like this. Now I am making the round shape ball. Same like that, my all potatoes balls are done. You can see now I made fresh bread crumbs. After that I took corn flour and flour, add some water and make a thick slurry. Now I took the potato bowl, coat into the slurry. After that coat into the bread crumbs and now fry it on the medium flame. Now I have to fry it until it turns into the golden brown color. Now I will change the sides of all potato balls. Now mashallah potato balls has been cooked. It looks so yummy, delicious and crispy. You can see. Please follow and subscribe it. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Take care.